If you don't already own a set of trim removal tools and you plan on working on your Macan, you should get a good set. They are absolutely necessary for working on modern vehicles. We use the Schwaben set with great success. Park your Macan on a flat surface so that you can work on the door without it swinging open and shut. Begin by removing the upper trim panel indicated by the red arrow. Use a clean, thin trim removal tool and starting at the door handle and gently pry the trim piece away from the door. There are a series of hooks indicated by the red arrows holding the panel in place, so once you get all of the clips unhooked, you will need to slide the panel towards the rear of the door to remove it. Use a trim removal tool and release the trim panel behind the door handle. Slightly open the handle and then pry the panel out. There are two hooks on the front, red arrows, and a clip in the rear. This will give you access to the single T25 screw behind the panel, blue arrow. Next, use a T25 torque and remove the single screw behind the panel, red arrow. Remove the T25 torque screw from the other end of the panel that was hidden behind the trim piece, red arrow. Use a trim removal tool and gently pry the light from the lower door panel out from the top. Squeeze in on the tabs and disconnect the electrical connection, red arrows. Use a T25 torque and remove the screw behind the light through the opening, red arrow. Lift the door panel straight up from the bottom. Slightly move the panel away from the door and disconnect the wiring connection by pushing down on the tab, red arrow, and lifting up on the purple bar. This will cause the connection to disengage from the door control module. You do not need to separate the white wiring connection, green arrow. You now need to remove the Bowden cable from the door handle. Press in on the tabs on the connection, red arrow, and slide it back in the direction of the blue arrow. Tilt the back of the plastic tab up and slide the cable out from the mount. Turn the cable and remove the ball end from the handle, yellow arrow. The panel is now free from the door. If you are placing the front panel interior side down to service the panel, make sure to put something down to protect it first. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the T25 screws to 3.5 Newton meters or 2.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.